An insult to Bubagra means insulting all the Tiprasa people. The protest rally will be going on all around the state unless the Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah apologizes to Maharaja and to the people. The ADC EM Runiel Debbarma says that on Thursday evening at the candlelight movement.
On the last 22nd of May, the State Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah gave a statement about not to call Bubagra Pradyut Kishore Debbarma as a Maharaja on the BJP executive meeting held at Choriram. With that, the state is burning in aggression. Various organization groups and party members were disappointed with the statement of Dr. Manik Shah. As such, because of the statement given by Dr. Manik Shah, the people of Lefunga organized a protest rally crying Sisi Thutu slogan on Thursday evening. On that day, the rally was started from Lefunga School Playground to Lefunga Market and again end the rally at Lefunga School Ground. After reaching at the school ground, they have burned the dummy of Dr. Manik Shah. An insult to Bubagra means insulting all the Tiprasa people. The protest rally will be going on all around the state unless the Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah apologizes to Maharaja and to the people, says the ADC EM Runiel Debbarma.
Protest rally Singoro Bujong Wakinago Ningle or Sing Lefunga Hativo, Lefunga ground Nisimi, Yang Jemen Tomonoro Sing protest rally Keke, Yang ni Sini Tiprasa do Fanijoto Lukuro, Jesing Hay Logirka, Logirfene Bella Hambaya Faro, Karanki Boni Diman, Tiprasa do Singono Bella Selengo, Sini Tipani CM, Je Sini Bubagra Tanning di Hine. Je bono insult kami nom kahi insult kami kelayo Bubagra na simia sin Tiprasa do fono insult kami kelayo omno tina sing tini khadumare le protest li khaike ole funga area wo omno Bubagra je asik sin Tiprasa do fono bagi hawo nokori je bo choba khaite mo sin man te soptani man na bagi omno sini bohai kubi borok sing maya ko tangsujara omno bono sing logiri thanai bono je kun borok je kun somoyo kun hamya kok sakai bono mani yange sing onek Omni action na nai omni singtini protest li ke jese poine map chania sak sim simdi protest li khane lefunga simia saratirwana protest li choli tawa sing musungo jese ke bono sini cm bo map ma sanai Bubagra na te public no map ma sanai sini sentiment na khama te bosla ban sentiment na ka karon ki sini hawo 185 kings ni for rule khai thanga singno omno sini history to kaisa o history na sakamona boine borogum tike kok sai tango sini history na sakamona bagi omno singono protest khayo omno singkha dum funugo singomno omno protest khaino tinoro rally khaijab
On that day, apart from EM Runiel Debbarma, there was also EM Rabindra Debbarma, the president of the Lefunga Tipramatha Deepak Debbarma, and other also present at the rally. Reported by Animesh from Lefunga, Chini Khorang.